All right, lesson 35, high frequency words. Let's read our first word, sentence. Here we go. Ready? She caught the ball easily. Our first word is caught. This is what you do with a ball with your hands. Our second sentence, let's read it. Ready? He will climb the ladder. Our second sentence is climb. Our second high frequency word is climb. Climb, we say climb, but there's a silent B at the end that we cannot hear. All right, let's go practice. Here we go. Ready? We're going to say it, spell it, say it. Ready? Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Busy. B-U-S-Y. Busy. Built. B-U-I-L-T. Built. Month. M-O-N-T-H. Month. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Toe. T-O-E. Toe. Buy. B-U-Y. Buy. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Build. B-U-I-L-D. Build. Hour. H-O-U-R. Hour. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Piece. P-I-E-C-E. Piece. Lie. L-I-E. Lie. Floor. F-L-O-O-R. Floor. Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Half. H-A-L-F. Half. Eight. E-I-G-H-T. Eight. Pie. P-I-E. Pie. Tie. T-I-E. Tie. Excellent job. Now let's go ahead and spell some of our words. High frequency words. Number 1, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Number 2, true. I hear a tr sound. TR says tr. U-E says oo sometimes. True. Number 3. Number 3 is blue. Blue rhymes with true, so we're just going to change the first 2 letters to be a BL, and then we'll do the last 2. Blue, true. And number 4 is again. A-G-A-I-I Again, excellent job on your high frequency words.